Hi guys, this is Press, and guys, meron na naman tayong bagong toy which is the Nitecore NU25UL headlamp. Yes guys, a highly regarded ultralight guys, rechargeable headlamp. Pinipraise to for its performance, intuitive design, and comfortable fit. Usually guys, well suited to sa mga fast packing, lightweight camping, and backup lighting in the mountain. Of course, unbox natin guys. Yung key feature pa natin ito guys is of course lightweight siya guys. Exceptionally lightweight siya, kaya nagustuhan ko rin siya. Barely noticeable siya guys sa ulo natin kasi sa ulo siya ginamit. And of course, the ultralight version also utilize the comfortable shock cord style headband. And of course guys, this headlamp provides ample light output, making it suitable for bidrose activities event. Even to na longer runs, hindi siya masyadong sa battery. So meron siyang guys, dual beam design para sa mga flood kung may emergency, and yung throw niya, yung throw option na maganda. And of course, very convenient na rin siya kasi Type-C yung USB port niya guys for easy charging. So alam naman natin ito yung ngayon, yung uso ngayon na Type-C. So very accessible and convenient to guys. Of course, yung design ng headlamp niya is high quality ABS plastic siya guys, and yung switch niya is rubber para ensuring the durability and of course good fit sa atin. Well guys, yung shock cord style ng headband niya is very lightweight. Of course, very finicky siya, so adjust than some traditional headlamp. But of course, sa akin, mas okay siya for me kasi very lightweight talaga siya and very durable. Well guys, overall, the Nitecore NU25UL is a well-designed guys, reliable, versatile headlamp that excels the lightweight and fast packing application natin guys. And it's great option for those seeking, kung nagsisik kayo ng compact, bright, and comfortable headlamp sa mga various outdoor activity natin. So I recommend this guys, and of course added to our collection also. Yun lang guys. Kung meron din kayo mga EDC stuff, pwede nyo na i-comment para matulungan din natin yung mga fellow EDC natin kung ano yung mga kailangan nila, diba? Para makabili sila ng durable and useful EDC para sa kanila. So yun lang guys. This is Press checking Nitecore NU25UL.